a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news na we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I wan present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
And I be Robo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. And if now your first time when you come across this page, like, follow this page so that you're gonna get notified each time when I be say I upload new videos. And if you have to join the broadcast, you never share, endeavor to share, because this what here I get to talk, so it got to do with every Biafrans all over the world. I feel say it's high time for Biafrans to know the truth, nothing but the truth. It's high time for Biafrans to know the truth, nothing but the truth. And some of these broadcasts, when I want to do so, I go mention some people's names. And after what I get to talk today, I believe say the parties the way they involve for what I get to talk today, it go serve them. It go make they go use and do the needful. Because as it is today, I'm for nobody, I'm for everybody, and I belong to a family, which every one of us know. And Biafrans also know that if Omote Biafra, they know me to be a very truthful person. When they say, I know they support evil, I know they support injustice, I know they cover something where they say, you know, they okay. So my people, make una take a very cool listening to every one of us. Oliver Copper, thank you very much. Nkechi Nnamdi, thank you. All hail Biafra, IPOB one family. So this notice when I won't give so, now to the people that will be say I won't mention their name when involved for this matter when I won't get to talk so. And I they give them this notice until October. And they give them this notice until October after our supreme leader. After our supreme leader hearing for court, now I won't give the notice reach till after our supreme leader hearing for court. Before now I give them the notice reach. So the people then when I won't mention their names, may they do the needful and may they follow accordingly to waiting I tell them may they do, may they follow accordingly. Because as it is today, my people, we not go fit use our hand or come sit down, make waiting we don't suffer or waiting we don't labor to do this how many years, say something can't go wrong. So on this note, a lot of things have been said on social media, which a lot of us doesn't go along with everything we say don't say so far for this social media. And each time when I do video, I see a lot of Biafrans, they come outside, some of them they write me for inbox, say if it's not like that, if you take it easy, if you take the message to the appropriate channel, if you do this, if you do that. There are some messages where you say you go take to appropriate channel, when you say you no go they well handled. There are some messages when you go see take to the appropriate channel, you go see they well handled. You see everybody they come on social media, come they speak today. You see the way everything they go for that place. If I tell you say me Efe, I don't know the genesis of everything at the light owner. If I tell you say I don't know the genesis as everything till they happen or as everything till they go, I would not be glad now the light owner. Now I want to use this opportunity to take callers the name. Mazi, good evening, sir. Yes, sir. I want to use this opportunity to take callers the names of the people when be say if they involved. I go start with what it be name Master Prophet Master Prophet, the last time you come outside to talk, say you bring some evidence. I know say you don't quiet or you know they talk again. But to put this matter to final rest, Biafrans need to know the genesis. They need to know everything. They need to know everything. That is why they give a maximum of 1 month plus for now to do everything before me I go come outside to come let the cat out. Before I let the cat out, I they give a maximum of 1 month. Make una go settle what una want settle. Make una go arrange what una want arrange. Make una do what una supposed to do before that 1 month when I give una to come. Make una make sure say una do everything. Master Prophet, you come at the last time to accuse a lady, our mother when they in charge of what do they call an ESN account. Say she send money go here, she send money go here. I want me you pile up all the evidence when you get so far. And the research when you don't do so far. I want me you pile up all the evidence and present it to IPOB leadership. Pile up all the evidence of everything when you get concerning our mother when they in charge of ESN account. Pile all the paper, pile everything. Enough of all this social media talk go here. When I call the full Biafrans or call the use Biafrans. Because they fight themselves on social media. It's our time we let Biafra know the truth. It's our time we let Biafra know everybody stands. And before I go further, Biafrans, I want to know say this thing when I'm about to do so. I go step on a lot of people's toes. But at the end of this process, when I want to engage myself on so, now victory, I go thank me later for this thing when I want about to do so. And this thing when they want about to do so, they don't see they try to arrange some individuals when they want to use as an opponent. Maybe say me and the person will call the gbas for social media. But I don't check everybody. Nobody go fit give me that gbas when they fit say they go fit give me, because they know say I hold the truth for my mouth. And if I talk, and even Biafrans go know say what they talk say not truth. A lot of people involved for this matter. Presenters, IPOB activists, both male and female, they invest for this matter when I they about to talk. After the notice when we say I give to these people, a lot of people involved. Now, the second person on the list is Madam Nelly. Madam Nelly, for the past how many months, I know say you don't do a lot of expose, don't talk a lot of things, do video. I want now, because according to everything where they go on, now video so far, now you don't do videos. According to the investigation, when I don't say do on my own, say now videos then, now you don't do. You never really bring documented evidence of what you they talk. And I ask them, why are there no documented evidence to some of the things where you don't talk? They say the evidence that they with you. So now, Madam Nelly, please, all the evidence that you have, evidence of everything that you have been saying concerning what they call Okora for the secretary, concerning Nayanya, everything where you don't ever talk. I want me you pile everything for file, submit and give IPOB leadership. And if you want to submit all these things, give IPOB leadership. Make sure say you do video record of everything. Do video record. Mr. Prophets too. Do video record of the evidence of everything file when you want pile. Give una fit say wetin they tell una so una fit take am for granted though. But the outcome of it go the outcome of it go dey very, very brutal. I'm telling you the truth. The outcome of this video when they do so, it go dey very, very brutal. If una take am for granted, if una take this video when they do so for granted, it go dey very, very brutal. And they tell una the truth. And not be threats. And before that time, if any of una, everybody when I want measure their name for this video, if una get anything when I want do me or una want take my life before that time, make una make sure say una take my life before that time, before the date when we say they give una so. Mona do as I tell una accordingly. Mona follow the lines and everything when they tell una accordingly. Mona do and bring the video evidence to Biafrans. Una want make we talk truth, abi? Una want make we follow the normal process, abi? Majority of una they fight against injustice and lies and fraudulent acts, abi? We want start them now from the scratch. We will start them from the scratch, from everything. Biafrans need to know everything. They deserve to know everything. Then, that's why they tell us so. A lot of people are involved. I'm involved. Biafrans made activists, they are involved. IPOB made Biafran activists, they are involved. IPOB female activists, they are involved. Now, Madam Nelly, Nelly, all the evidence that you have, so far you have said concerning this thing that is on ground, concerning our supreme leader that was being kidnapped. I want you to pile it, video it, publish it to us, and also send it to IPOB leadership. And IPOB leadership, with all due respect, una know say me I be Biafran activist, and I be strong IPOB. Una know that from time. I know they support evil, or call they bend man, they call they bend word they talk. I don't know time without number. I don't get anybody when they dread for inside IPOB. I only get people when they respect. But say I they dread a particular person. I know they dread a particular person. Now, if those evidence is being provided to una, as it's supposed to be provided to una, make una act on and as una they act on all these things, because as it is today, the reputation of IPOB is at stake. For all these things where we say they go on for that place, because as it is today, I don't really know the purpose of some certain things that is happening in that place. I don't know the purpose, I don't know the reason, I don't know why some of all these things are happening. Sometimes I they ask myself, since our supreme leader has been kidnapped, now 3 times now masquerade don't pursue me for inside dream. The first one, when it gave video when I do for the first time, the masquerade went there for my village, they pursue me for that dream, pursue me. As I even wake up, I call the sweat for real life. Then second time, you see get what I do again, the masquerade pursue me where. But this last night, so the masquerade will pursue me, not be only my village masquerade. I call the see strange, different masquerade, when we are different masquerade, wear different masquerade of head. And as I did for the dream, it copy like say I did like this. Then they try to cross to the other side. The masquerade they go gather themselves, they go hold themselves hand like this. They go push me, go back, carry long cane. So my people make me to understand, say masquerade, if you see masquerade for your dream, not be say now, not be better thing. And I don't do this dream 3 times. Now, this very one, when I dream so, I don't sit down and think and since morning. I don't wake up since morning, but I don't get myself. I don't sit down and think and since morning. So, I know that there is a Biafran spirit in me when they say me, when make me join this struggle. And the Biafran spirit in me always want me to always speak truth at all times. At all times, no matter who is involved, no matter who they involve, they want me to always speak the truth. Each time I'm doing something where they're contrary to what they expect me to do, or what I'm supposed to say, or what I'm supposed to do, and they always they get sign. And they tell them that the truth is, they tell them every day, say nobody can kill me, nobody can do anything to me, because I'm being guided by the spirits will lead me to this struggle when I did today. So Madam Nelly, Prophet, Mr. Prophet, every one of una when don't talk anything, una don't talk so far. When be say una get any position for IPOB, or una get any position una they hold, or una they fight for anybody, make una pile up all una evidence and present it to Biafrans, and also present it to the IPOB leadership. And let us, from now till October 20-something, after our Supreme Leader court, now I want to make all these things happen. And failure to do so, I will call to social media and let the cat out. Failure to do so, failure to do what they tell us so, failure to do so, I will come to the social media and let the cat out. Because people have died on this struggle, people continue to die, people have put their freedom on the process, people have put their liberty on the process, people have put their feeling, their heart, everything on the process. So we are not going to continue, we are not going to sit back, relax, and let some individual to be doing whatever they like and get away with it. All of us know up until now, say IPOB, there is nothing or any individual or any group that our Supreme Leader is going to cherish or value or trust or as in hope on more than IPOB. And I'm not in a party to any individual who claim they love our leader more than anything, or they love our now they call love Biafra struggle pass. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn about anybody as it is now. This message when they give una so now, pile up every. I don't want to hear. Go and Google it. Check it yourself. No, I don't want to hear anything like that. I just want to see the video trending on social media for every day, or send it to IPOB leadership. Let it be that the information, the accurate information has got to our get to IPOB leadership. Then let me know the people when I want face, when the time come to do this expose, to let the cat out of this box when we don't cover for a very long time. I want every evidence to be passed to them so that I will know the party, the direction to face this talk when I want to talk after our supreme leader court on the 27th, because enough is enough now. Now play na joke. A lot of damage is being caused on daily basis. Nobody knows anybody's interest. Nobody knows anybody's interest. Everybody is just doing their own. Everybody is just doing their own. People like Oneko, they pay for the consequence of what some of them they doing we don't know about. Then if we can't speak, Biafrans will they come after us. If we can't speak from analyze what we don't see so far, Biafrans go they come after us. They make all the feel say maybe we get one thing where we don't do, or we get one thing where we they participate on. As for the letter they know every day, before I engage myself in this Biafra struggle, I never consulted my family, I never consulted anybody. I never consulted anybody in this struggle. I joined wholeheartedly from my heart. Now I join this struggle. I don't consult anybody. And I joined this struggle because of the purpose of truth. And anytime they try to deviate from that truth, I try to deviate from that truth, my consciousness, they always come back to me. They always come to me, to react to me. If what do you they do so? Come back to me. So that's why I'm giving this notice. Anybody want prepare for grant, both IPOB leadership, both the person of Madam Nelly, both prophet, anybody want prepare for grant, say may they want to fight or want to do opponent fight, wanna prepare them for grant. Because Biafrans deserve to know the truth, and only the truth now go set every one of us free. So I thank you very much. Great Biafrans all over the world. For those of you now when be say una know they like some kind of things when be say they do, they always they apologize to now, because I not get the spirit of Biafran when they drive me. You not give me the strength to fight Biafrans. You only give me strength to fight Biafrans enemy. And if una they misunderstand me, my action, it can never go against the interest of Biafra. I might do some kind of things out of saying so I'm not rich. I might do some kind of thing out of saying the information where they at my disposal. I physically do some kind of things out of anger. You understand? Like the video I made yesterday, it's from the information that I gathered so far. And I made it very clear. It's not an attack to IPOB leadership. Rather, it was a message to them. And I believe they got the message. They got it. They got it, because if they don't get it, I know people wait for call me, but because the message was well passed, they got it. So that is why I'm calling out everybody. I get some of these people their number. I'm going to forward this video to them by myself, so that they are going to watch this video and do what I asked them to do. But if they want to undermine my person, say who be Efe, or Efe not reach anything, the outcome of it will be very, very brutal. I swear to God Almighty. The outcome of it will be very, very brutal. And at the end of the day, I know say Biafrans will be set free, and will continue to move. I love una so much, and I'll continue to love una. Oh hey Biafra, now bye.